already in Hungary. I think we're about 25 kilometers from Budapest away. I started off this morning in Vienna. Not much to see. I took countryside roads, but honestly the roads were nice, but all straight and not really a lot of scenery. Now, as you can see, 295 kilometers to go. I'm going to Oradea, and there I stay the night over. And so I did already 260 kilometers. I started a bit later than I planned, but yeah, it is what it is. And I think the route brings me through Budapest. Let's see if we can catch some footage along the roads. Hello, I'm Nicolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer. Let's roll. So I think we don't see much of Budapest, so I take it on the way back. Now we have 3:15 or 3:16 to be precise in the afternoon, and still 270 kilometers to go. Now it took us on this, I think this is M0, the Budapest ring. Soon we're gonna go down and let's see where it leads. Till now from Vienna I didn't have any highway major roads, a lot of nice secondary roads, but as mentioned, not much to film. And now you see me on this highway, which I actually don't like. What to say, it is what it is. Sometimes you have to make some kilometers rather quick, because crossing Budapest in the city, now all the traffic and all, I should have planned to stay here, and yeah, but on the way back maybe I plan that I capture some footage riding in Budapest, and that's where we're going. You see the sky? Quite nice. So Budapest. So maybe if we're lucky we're gonna catch some. As you can see, this is the Danube, and yep, let's hope we cross definitely somewhere the Danube. The Danube, look at that. This is a Danube crossing, but here in this area not so much to see. When you see that, that's a funny highway. So you have two lanes on this side, one lane on this side going, and two lanes on this side and one lane on that side coming. So this is kind of, I think, the idea of an expressway. excuse me. The idea of an expressway, so you can move a bit faster, you don't have traffic lights, very good idea. But if you don't know the area, you're trapped on this. So there's, well, I think further down there would be an exit, but other than that, if you don't know, you're trapped, and well, you have to retract all the way. Not bad, not bad. So we're heading out direction Zolnok. We are in full flash traffic, after work traffic, but should ease down once we left Budapest behind us. I hope you can see this up there, the airplane coming in. So we are quite close to the airport. Very nice. So as you can see, 50 kilometers to go. I stopped one last time. Now 50 kilometers till Oradea. One more crossing. Let's see how it is during this pandemic time, crossing into Romania. But let's hit the road a bit. This you have to calculate that people are passing here. Now, as you can see, it's getting already dark. There was a big traffic jam before because there was an accident. I didn't film when I passed all the queue, but that's the good thing when you have a motorcycle. Now, this road, as you can see, it's all patchwork. It's quite rough. And yes, I'm pushing a little bit to reach, not when it's dark. Now we have, what time? 6:30 German time, I think. Here we crossed already the time zone, so we have 7:30 now here.